Page 116 is the only page we're going to do today, so if you look on it, it's not a whole lot of work. So all I'm asking is you just pay attention and follow along. We'll get through this really quick here.
Are we just doing this one page?
Yep. Yeah, just this one page, 116. Okay. Okay. So today we're going to learn how to avoid confusing our readers with inappropriate shifts in verb tense. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of take a look at the description here on the page, and then we'll fill in the blanks. Okay. So what I want you to do is just kind of follow along. I'm just going to read the first couple sentences out loud. So a verb's tense tells when action occurs. Tenses include the past, present, and future. Okay, so this would be like I jump. Okay, that's like I do it right now. I jumped would be in the past. If I'm going to jump, that's in the future. If I'm jumping, that's present. Jumped would be the past. Okay? A shift happens when a writer uses more than one tense in a sentence. So, you find this example sentence here?
Oh, do you need? Oh.
Yeah, so if you look at this sentence right here. So it says, initially, Alexei struggled with his identity, but now he appreciates it. Okay, so in the sentence above, the shift in verb tense is appropriate. Shows that Alexei struggled in the past and what he appreciates now in the present. Okay, so here's what I want you guys to do. For this last couple of sentences here, starting with sometimes, I'm going to read it out loud. I want you guys to follow along. When I pause, I want you to say the word out loud. Okay, so right here with sometimes, I want you to find sometimes on your book. Find sometimes, Braden, find it. Sometimes right here. I'm going to read these couple sentences out loud. When I pause, I want you to say the word out loud with me. So everybody get their pointer finger ready. Appreciate you being ready to go over here, boys. Thanks for being ready to go over there. All right, starting right there. Sometimes shifts in verb tense are inappropriate. If actions take place in the same time frame, a shift in verb tense is confusing and incorrect. Okay, so if I use the wrong tense, it can be confusing. So if you look at this example, Alexei recognizes opportunities he has as he moved between groups. Okay? So, since we're talking about as he moved, it recognizes would be a little confusing because he would have done it in the past. Okay? So, the sentence is confusing because the tense shifts from present to past. Okay? So, if it is not clear when Alexei recognizes opportunities or moves between groups. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're just going to go through these examples here. So what I want you guys to do is find the directions under identify correct verb tense. So it starts with underline. I want you to find those directions or read those directions out loud. So I want to hear everybody read those directions. I'm pretty sure you can see your pointer finger over there, Braden. Thanks for being ready to go, John. I like that you're ready to go over there, Charlie. Okay, everybody read the directions with me out loud. Ready, go. Underline the verbs in each sentence. Put a check next to examples of correct verb tense and X next to incorrect examples. Okay, thanks for reading out loud with me. All right, so we'll put a check next to examples of correct, if it's used correctly, and X next to if it's incorrect. Okay, so I'll just model this first one. When Alexei was in high school, he excels at basketball. Okay.
That is true.
So,
not true.
I see the past tense verb was and the present tense verb excels in this sentence. Sentence describes what happened in the past. Therefore, the shift in verb tense is inappropriate because it has the action of excelling happen in the past, not the present.
So that's it.
Okay? So it would be an X, okay, because it's inappropriate. So the correct one would be when Alexei was in high school, he excelled. Okay? Because that would tell me he did in the past. If he excels, that makes it sound like he's doing it right now. Okay, but he's not in high school anymore. So make sure you get a check next to that box. Check next to that box. Let's get a check right there. Pencil.
Check right here.
Wait. You guys have something different in your book? Oh my goodness.
What? Yeah, we have
It's happening again.
They switched books on you guys?
Mine's right.
Well,
I was wondering why everybody sounded different than what you were saying.
Yeah, yours.
They're like,
I was gonna ask because we don't done that.
Okay, like, do we need to erase it?
they gave me this new workbook on the computer thing, but it's different than this, and some pages are the same and some are different. That's awesome.
He said X in the first place.
All right. Okay. So here's what I want you to do. You guys don't worry about what's on your books, and we're just gonna look up here, and you guys are just gonna help me answer these up here. Okay, because I don't know what the heck is going on with why I have different
We're
stuff.
not even doing the books.
We're not doing the book anymore. All right, let's close the book.
Just
Yeah,
close
I
the
see you
book.
guys participating here.
Here's just going to be.
Okay, so let me see if I can. Can everybody see this up here?
Yes, we can.
Can you guys read these?
We're not blind.
Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to read the example out loud. When I pause, I want you to say the word out loud. So everybody follow along up here. Eyes up front, like that everyone's ready to go. In his interview good with Moyers, Alexi stated that he belongs to every community. Okay, so would this one be correct? So in his interview, is that happening now or did it happen in the past?
In the past.
In the past, okay, so he stated that he belongs in every community. Does that sound right?
No.
Are you
Yes.
sure? Yeah, so isn't it, he said that he belongs to every community. I would say that sounds right. Okay, because if he belonged, that would mean that he wouldn't belong anymore.
So it's an X.
It would be a check for correct. Okay? So let's go ahead and put a check mark for the second one. Oh yeah, you don't even write anything. Okay, I'm gonna put a check mark, sorry.
This one's not
Okay,
correct.
next one. Everybody eyes up front, eyes up front. I'm gonna read out, I want you to pause, I want you to read out loud with me the word. In 6th grade, Alexi
Learns.
wait, what's that word, everybody?
Learns.
Learns, good. He was related to everyone in his class. Okay, so since it happened in the past in 6th grade, would he learn right now or would he have learned?
Learn.
Okay, so learn. So is this one correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
Incorrect, yeah, because it says learn, so this would be not correct.
Yep.
Alright, I'm just gonna I'll read the direction on the next one. So it says underline the verbs in each sentence. So as a reminder, verbs are action words like running, jumping, thinking, talking, doing, anything, okay?
Yes.
But we're gonna rewrite each sentence so it uses the appropriate verb tense.
Okay.
Okay? So I'm gonna read number 1 out loud and kind of model this one for you. Like his character, Junior, Alexi will leave the reservation and goes to high school.
That's
Does that sound right?
no.
No. Okay, so we're gonna underline the verbs in this sentence. So leave,
Yes.
or will leave, I guess, and then goes.
Goes.
Okay? So how would I change this to make it sound correct? So let's say like his character, Junior, Alexi.
Goes.
Let's not say will leave. If it happened in the past, what would I say? What would I say if it happened in the past? If I leave something, but I did it in the past, I would have left. Perfect. So I'm gonna rewrite this. I'll rewrite it up here. Actually, I'm not gonna rewrite it. I'm just gonna cross out and change this to left. Okay. So like his character, Junior, Alexi left the reservation and goes to high school. What's the how would I say goes in the past?
Go. Do.
Oh, I heard Dylan just say it. Oh,
Went.
John, sorry. Went. Good. So if I did in the past, okay, I would have went.
Yes. Went to school.
Okay, thanks for helping me out there. And then the last one. So here's what I want you guys to do. Eyes up front. I want you guys to read this whole sentence with me. Do your best to read
Okay,
it.
ready.
So eyes up front. Read the whole thing with me. Ready, go. Readers who like the book about Junior will probably enjoy his other books by Alexi.
That is not true.
Okay, that doesn't sound right. So, readers who like the book about Junior will probably
Read the book.
Enjoys or enjoy.
Enjoys the book.
Enjoys or enjoy? What do you think?
Enjoys the book.
Yeah, say enjoy.
Enjoys the book.
Okay.
No.
Ah, okay, sorry that there was a mix up there of your books. I literally had no idea that they were different there. Okay.